To unlock monetization tools, your account must first be eligible and set up properly. Here's how to enable and check your Instagram monetization status step by step. First, you need to check if your account complies with Instagram's policies. Tap the 3 lines menu icon again, scroll down to More Info and Support, and tap Account Status. Make sure you see green check marks across all features, confirming you have no community guidelines or policy violations. Now, you need to convert your personal profile into a professional account. Go to your profile and tap the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the For Professionals section and tap Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account. Choose your category. Pick Creator or Business and complete the setup. Finally, to check your monetization eligibility, tap the 3 lines menu icon in the top right corner, scroll down to Account Status and tap Monetization. Here, Instagram displays green check marks if your account complies with monetization policies. That is how you can easily check and prepare your Instagram account for monetization. If this quick guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.